In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wireframes in Miro, and this process is straightforward and incredibly useful for visualizing your project's design. So whether you're a beginner trying to grasp the concept of wireframing or an experienced designer looking for a collaborative edge, this guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Now let's dive right in. First, get started by heading over to Miro.com. This is your gateway to an expansive platform designed for creativity and collaboration in a digital space. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the login button. This will prompt you to either sign in with your email or, if you prefer, your Google account for ease of access. Simply follow the steps to sign in with your information. If you use your email, don't forget to click on continue with email to access your account. Enter your credentials and you'll be on your dashboard in no time. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to opening your board. This board is essentially your digital canvas where all your wireframing magic will happen. Locate your board and click on it. It's a blank slate ready for your creativity and vision. Once you're on your board, look to the left side where you'll see a little plus button. This button holds the key to adding various elements to your project, so go ahead and click it. After clicking the plus button, a search bar will appear. Type wireframe into this bar. You'll see a variety of wireframe components available, tailored to help you visualize different aspects of your project. Choose a wireframe component that suits your project. It's the starting point for building out the structure of your design. Once you have selected your wireframe component, it's time to customize it by adding various elements and components. You could, for instance, add elements like a search button, or any other component that aligns with your design needs. This step is crucial as it allows you to integrate functionalities and features into your wireframe that mirror the user interface you envision. Feel free to select different components to your liking. Each selection adds a piece to the puzzle of your design. As you continue customizing, remember you're shaping the structure of a user interface or a web page, so thoughtful planning and creativity are essential. Don't hesitate to add more components that complete your design. The beauty of wireframing in Miro lies in the ability to visually iterate and communicate your ideas in a flexible, collaborative space. And there you have it, a seamless process for creating wireframes in Miro. With these steps, you'll be able to visualize and ideate, moving gradually from conception to a comprehensive design. Miro provides an intuitive platform that enhances clarity and improves collaboration among teams, so go ahead and explore the endless possibilities it offers. Happy designing!